The coronavirus outbreak has led to two of the deadliest months in Arizona history. More people died this March and April in our state than during any other March or April on record. Our chief investigative reporter Morgan Lowe brings us the details.
Here at 8, another big spike in coronavirus cases here in Arizona. State health managers reported
it has dominated the headlines for nearly 3 months. But still, lots of Arizona residents do not appear to take the coronavirus seriously. This was Scottsdale last weekend. Life goes on. Germs kill sickly people sometimes, wrote one Arizona Twitter user this morning. But the number of deaths in Arizona this spring are staggering. According to the Arizona Department of Health Services, a total of 5,605 people died in April, compared to 5,033 last April. 5,700 died in March, compared to 5,375 in March of last year. That makes this April and this March the deadliest of those 2 months on record.
This year is very different from any other year that I can ever remember in public health. I mean, every year, lots of people die from many different causes, but we're in the middle of the worst pandemic in 100 years.
Will Humble is the executive director of the Arizona Public Health Association. He says the coronavirus is likely to be both directly and indirectly responsible for the increase in deaths. 885 people have died from the disease, but more also died as a result of it.
The biggest increase in cases are related directly to COVID-19. And then you have secondary things that are related to COVID-19 in the sense that people need care for a condition, but are not going to the doctor because of COVID-19 and their fear of getting it, or the fact that it's hard to schedule an appointment with the doctor, etc. So I think that's a component as well.
January, March, and April have turned out to be 3 of the 4 deadliest months in Arizona's history. And what makes this even more significant is that in March and April, there were fewer drivers on our roads, and crashes are always a large contributor to the number of fatalities. We're going to get the numbers for May in the next couple of weeks. I'm Morgan Lowe for Arizona's Family.